And no, it's not about the politics. It's about the technology. So, Oran, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, Sharon.
It's a pleasure to see you and always interesting to talk to you. Tell me, why do people, especially investors, want to be here in Israel now, months after October 7th?
Well, I think that the Israeli technology was always at the forefront. First of all, we have the multinationals, the Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidias of the world, who are very active in Israel. Tens of thousands of Israelis work for these multinationals. These multinationals are constantly active, looking for new technologies, acquiring Israeli companies, and the market is quite vibrant.
Even now, is it very vibrant?
Yes, I think just 2 days ago, we saw Nvidia acquiring Run AI for $700 million.
Wow.
We saw Akamai acquiring no-name cybersecurity for $500 million just a week ago. So the market is active. Israeli companies are still raising money. The multinationals are active. It's not as it was like in 2021, but still we see billions of dollars pouring into Israel. And they look at Israel as a springboard, as a hub of innovation and growth, and they continue to invest in the country.
Well, I think we should invest in the country as well. Oran, thank you so much for giving us a window into the economy of Israel, into the technology that's taking place in some specific companies. To see more conversations with extraordinary Israeli business entrepreneurs, visit theisraelconference.org.